Good morning everyone. I'm Kencana Bahtiar on Stickers News channel with the latest news about how prepared Generation Z is in responding to technological change. Intelligent Gen Z has unique characteristics that are the result of growing up in the digital era. They have extraordinary abilities in using technology because they have been there since an early age and often use technology in communication. They have a creative nature, are open to new ideas, and have a passion for innovation. Apart from that, they are also social and tolerant, which is an important characteristic of Gen Z Indonesia. They tend to be sensitive to social and environmental issues and are involved in various activism activities. They are also more tolerant and inclusive when it comes to gender and cultural diversity. The Meta Survey revealed that young people not only use social media for fun, but also use it to speak up on current issues. Young users not only use the Meta platform as a place to have fun, but also as a space to voice social concern, build relationships, express creativity, and achieve their financial and professional dreams, said the official statement from the Meta survey, resulting from collaboration with Creativox and the Meta Office Indonesia. The survey was conducted this March and analyzed 7 topics, namely activism, social media, fashion and beauty, bullying, social interaction, creators, and finance. The research shows young users in Indonesia have a bold character in making decisions to have an enjoyable online experience according to their preferences. On the same occasion, Director of Global Partnership for Meta in Southeast Asia, Rivi Solovina, admitted that she was starting to find several Gen Z users who were facing important issues by educating themselves and others, using their right to vote and spreading awareness about issues of interest. This makes us see that we are a platform that is available to anyone. We provide freedom of opinion to face whatever you believe in or what you are fighting for as long as it is in accordance with the community guidelines, namely no hate speech and also no Sara, explained Revi. Apart from activism activities, the survey also found that many young users were inspired to follow in the footsteps of their favorite creators. 87% of respondents admitted that they wanted to be famous but were still unsure because they lacked self-confidence. Many use social media to discuss mental health issues and want a balanced personal and professional life, work-life balance. In addition, as many as 35% of young users think out connecting with other people on social media can create new opportunities. Then, 43% of young users follow their favorite celebrities or creators not only because of their style, but also because of the skill the creator has. And 66.5% of young users also realize the need for insurance to protect their life and themselves. Then, 58% invest in assets whose value always grows as property. That's enough for me, Kencana Bahtiar, to convey today's news. Good morning and see you.